What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients for SEO. Okay, you can use Paigham Bot if you want, or you can use cold emails. It's kind of the same strategy. In my experience, using cold emails is great, but you're kind of limited in terms of the volume that you can do. Like, sending 2,000 or 5,000 emails with a cold email campaign, that's considered a lot, especially because you have to pay to verify the email addresses that are that you're using. But with Paigham Bot, you can just load a massive list in there and let her rip and see what you get. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Message body is going to be very simple. What areas do you guys service? Okay, so we're looking to do local SEO. So in other words, let's say they say, I don't know, Pittsburgh and Philadelphia, whatever, something like that. You say, oh, great, I can help you get more clients in Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. When can we set up a call, right? Now you can either do it that way, that can be your second step, or you can just pitch them right away in the second email. It kind of depends on how many leads you're getting and how targeted you're being. If you're being very targeted, then you can be more specific in your pitch in your email. And if you're not, then maybe just be like a little bit more general. Okay, but you can see subject lines very general, just question. We can do quick question, and also I do the name as like a female name because I think it helps improve response rates. All right, so very straightforward. If you want to get clients for SEO, it's pretty quick, pretty simple, and that's it.